Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a hack of how I change the oil on my lawnmower and prevent a big mess. What I'm doing here is I'm using a 1-gallon milk jug and I'm cutting off the top. Make sure to cut off the handle bit, it'll come to use later on. Now my lawnmower does not have a drain plug. It is designed to be drained out from the same hole where you fill the oil up. So what I'm doing here is I'm first removing the dipstick, which also comes with the cap. And this is where the handle hole comes into play. I can put the dipstick right inside the handle hole. And next, I am tipping the lawnmower over and draining all the oil. What I'm doing right now with the oil that has just been drained is I'm squeezing the edge of the 1-gallon milk jug, and I'm not even using a funnel here, and I'm pouring the oil into a disposable container. Now my last step is I put the 1-gallon milk jug inside a plastic bag, tie a knot, and throw it out. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and check out more videos on my channel.